Boys and girls, we have much to accomplish in our lesson today, so we're going to work quickly. Tell me the sound that our short vowels make. Good. How many vowels do we have?
5.
Good. And they can be short or they could be long. If you look over here, we have both short and long. Before we review both sides together, let's review long vowels. Tell me the sound 3 times. A, E, I, O, U. They are long vowels. Tell me the sound 3 times, and I'm going to go back and forth between short and long.
SWB audio capture, not registered.
Did fantastic. Let's sing the alphabet song together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? We've also been learning special sounds. Let's say this together. Induct. Stand up, say it again. Induct, C-K. Be seated. I would like for all of our girls to say this one. E-M-E, E-E-E-E. All of the boys. E-M-E, E-E-E-E. Everyone stand up and let's say it like a baker. E-M-E-E-E-E. Mamma mia. You may be seated. E says E at the end of a short word. We've also learned this special sound. Say it for us students watching. Terrific. O and go, O, 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 O. Say it with us. O and go, O, 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 O. Stand up. I would like for you to say it like a basketball player. O and go, O, 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 O. Whoosh! That was great. You may be seated. And so those are 3 special sounds that we have learned. Now, I enjoy being at the ocean. I enjoy that Sharky is here. Sometimes Sharky might even try to chase you back to your seat. You never know.
SWB audio capture, not
I'm
registered.
Do the first one with you, and then I'm going to have 2 friends come. How many vowels are in this word?
2.
2. So the first one says it's
Long sound.
good, and the second one is
Silent.
Read that word for us, please, Holly.
Bike.
It is the word bike. Use bike in a sentence for us, please, Olivia. Bike.
I have a bike.
I'm glad that you have a bike. It is good exercise to ride on a bike. Will you come up here, please, and mark the vowels in this word for us, Cooper, and then in this word for us, Michaela. While they are quickly marking those vowels, stand, and I want you to tell me the 2 vowel rule. Go ahead and have a seat. We're a team. We have to work together. Class, stand. Class, stand. When there are 2 vowels in a word, the first one says it's long sound, and the second one is silent. So let's see how our friends did. Can you back up this way right beside me? If this is your word, tell me how many vowels you have. 2. So the first one says it's, and the second one is? I like the way you just carefully crossed that out when you realized there were 2 vowels. What is your word?
Line.
Good, your word is the line. Use the word line in a sentence for me, please, Jalen. Line.
I saw a line.
Good, you can see a line, or I can stand quietly in line. That's a good sentence. Look here, how many vowels?
2.
So the first one says it's,
Long sound.
and the second one is?
Silent.
Good, read your word.
Time.
Can you look at your friends and use the word time in a sentence for us?
A clock can tell time.
Yes, a clock can show you what time it is. Do you hear that? It sounds like, oh, something just flew by my ear. What is it? It's a fly.
SWB audio capture, not registered.
This is another special sound that we get to learn. And I want you to listen carefully. I and fly. Y, I. Listen again. I and fly. Y, I. Listen again. I and fly. Y, I. When Y is at the end of a short word, it says I. Not always, but it says I. What does it say?
I.
We have our card here, and Mrs. Turner also has her card here on our board. I and fly. Y, I. I and fly. Y, I. Listen, I and fly. Y, I.
I am fly. I.
Now, maybe it's hard for you to remember to say Y here. It is I and fly. Y, I. It says it's long I sound at the end of a short word. So a fun way to help you would be to teach you this. I and fly. Y, I. Try it with me. I and fly. Y, I. You did it. Stand up. Let's do it again. I and fly. Y, I. Again. I and fly. Y, I. Have a seat. Table 1, stand. Begin. I and fly. Y, I. Table 2 and students watching, stand.
I am fly.
Y.
SWB audio capture not
Do it again.
registered.
Stay standing. I and fly. Y, I. Excellent. Table 3. I and fly. Y, I. Every friend stand. I like this one. I and fly. Y, I. Do it again. I and fly. Y, I. You may be seated. If you are a girl, say it.
I am fly.
Y.
I.
You know what? That was fantastic. If you're a boy, stand. Say it. I and fly. Y, I. Good. When Y is at the end of a short word, sometimes it says the I sound. What does it say? The I sound. I would like for all of our footballs to stand and say it.
I am fly. Y, I.
Great. I would like for basketballs to say it. I and fly.
Y, I.
Good. I would like for my baseballs to stand, and I want you to say it with your teacher. Go. I and fly. Y, I. Good. Girls.
I fly.
Y, I. Boys. I and fly. Y, I. Now on the back of the card, there are many words. In fact, it is going to be the same words that Mrs. Turner has here on the back, but I want to go through it with you. I want you to look at this first word. Do you see anything special in this word, Michaela?
Y, I am fly. Y, I.
And I'm
SWB audio capture not registered.
It's special. Read the word, Michaela.
Buy.
Buy. This is not I will buy groceries. This might be I will stand by the teacher. I like when you get to be with your teacher. Let's look at this word down here. What special sound do you see, friends watching? That was terrific. Friends, let's say it with them. I am fly. Y, I. And what do? I because it's special. Read the word for me, please. Kylie. My. You are my favorite friends. Mrs. Turner loves having you. I'm going to go ahead and erase this, and I have some words that are up on our board. I would like for you to stand, and I want you to say, I and fly. Y, I.
I am fly. Y, I.
Have a seat. Now, I just showed you these, but now they're written in cursive and they are on our board. I want you to come up here and circle the special sound that you see here, Jalen, and I want you to come do it, Sky. You're going to circle the special sound. While they are doing that, we're going to say our new special sound again. I and fly. Y, I, I.
I and fly. Y, I.
Stand up. I love the motions. Do it again. I and fly. Y, I. Say it like a football player. I and fly. Y, I. Have a seat. Let's see if our friends were able to find our special sounds. If this is yours, tell me what you found and what you circled. Come closer to me.
I and fly.
I and Y. I and
I and fly. Y, I.
SWB audio capture, not registered.
Vi. Look over here, Sky. What did you circle?
I and fly.
No, I and fly.
Y, I.
And what is your word? My. Good girl. Now, that was fun learning it, but I told you that we were saving the back of our phonics seat work paper for this lesson. So Mrs. Turner wants you to listen carefully. I need you to make sure that you have your seat work paper and you're going to go ahead and turn it to the back. Boys and girls, prepare for your seat work paper.